A great way to announce your Black Friday offers and get your followers' attention in less than 10 seconds is to share an engaging Instagram story like this with them. And in this quick tutorial, we'll show you how you can do that in under 10 minutes with the help of this InVideo template. This super catchy template mirrors the feeling of getting a text alert on your phone, making it a lot more likely for people to engage with it. And you can start editing it by simply clicking on the Use this template button. This will bring you to InVideo's super intuitive and easy editor. In the middle, you have the canvas which shows you the actual video, and at the bottom, you have your scenes lined up on the timeline. Since this template is made of just a single scene, you will see just one scene here that comes with a royalty-free music track, so you don't have to change the music track or readjust the duration in any way. On the left, you have your assets panel from where you can add or replace images, stock videos, add text, etc. to your video. If you have your own product images and videos, you can upload them using the upload option in the left menu, or you can recreate this trend entirely using stock images and video clips from InVideo's library. For this tutorial, we are creating a Black Friday offer for a cosmetics brand, and so we'll use a relevant stock video from the library, and you can follow along so you can mirror the process for your own brand. Now let's begin editing. Since we just have one scene, we want to make sure that the video we choose represents our brand or product accurately. For that, we'll go to the Video tab in the left menu and search for cosmetic products using the search bar. Once I find a video that I like, I will simply drag and drop it onto the canvas and hit Replace in the pop-up window that appears. Another window will appear where I can trim the clip's duration to fit the scene. To do that, I will use this option on the bottom left corner that says Trim Video to Fit Scene, and then click on Add. If the media you've replaced appears slightly blurry or pixelated, don't worry because sometimes the editor takes time to load. When you export the video, everything will be in high definition only. If you make a mistake or add media you don't want, you can either delete it by pressing the Delete key on the keyboard or undo the step by using the Command+Z or Control+Z shortcuts on your keyboard. After the video clip is replaced, we want to go ahead and change the text. To do that, I'll double-click on the text on the canvas to open up the edit window on the left, and here I'll type out my own offer. The final step is to change the logo. Simply click on the logo on the canvas to open up the logo menu on the left, and then upload your own logo image. Once it's uploaded, click on the image and it will automatically get replaced in the template. If everything looks good, click on the play button underneath the canvas to preview your story. And once you're satisfied, hit Export. We suggest exporting in 180p for the best results. You can also recreate the story for other types of brands as well. For instance, if you offer online courses, this is what the story will look like for you. Now let's look at how you can upload your story on Instagram and increase your engagement and sales for Black Friday. Open your Instagram and select the plus option on the top right corner. From here, you want to select the story option. From here, tap on the square icon on the bottom left corner to open up your gallery and select the Black Friday story video. Once it's uploaded, add a link to your store or website using the link sticker and then hit share. And that's how you can create and upload an engaging story within video.